Hey y'all, I'm gonna do the flip through for my Seahorse Royalty Junk Journal Kit project. And first I'm gonna show you the outside of the journal and then we'll get into it. This is the tassel that I made on a previous video. Has lots of different pieces of broken jewelry, pearls, eyelash trims, little seashells, lace, string, some cotton batik fabrics, and string from a hay bale. And I'm put it on a bull clip so it could be taken off. The journal itself measures 5.5 inches by 7.5 inches, and it is 28 pages front and back, and has about a 1-inch gator mouth. And I did go ahead and change these ties out for the brown string, which I like much better. I layered up, the papers that I used, the digital printable paper kit that I used is called the Seahorse Royalty Junk Journal Kit, and it is available over at mindfulimage.com on her website. I will list all of her information below so that you can go and check out the things that she has for sale over there. And she sells more than just paper kits that are digital. She also sells paper pads and a bunch of other products. So go check out her stuff. This is the back of the journal. I did cover the spine with some batik fabric. There's a pocket back here made with one of the papers from the kit. And then I took some scrapbooking paper and some coffee dyed paper and made a card to go into this pocket. I layered up some scrapbooking paper and one of the seahorse images from the kit on the front, and added some cheesecloth and some textured trim underneath. And then this is a piece of upholstery trim, like pillow making upholstery trim. I have a video that shows how I made the cover. And I added some beads onto these strings at the center of the signature. And then I will also be including these two pieces. They have little jump rings on them. They're gorgeous. I bought several sets from a girl who was selling these on Facebook in multiple colors. So these two pieces will also be going with this journal. I made a pocket with another image from the kit and one of the tags from the kit. Well, I made a little tuck spot here. And I used a paper bag and glued a piece of an image from a book page. This is a puffer fish onto the front of it to decorate it a little bit. And then I made a journaling card with some book page and scrapbooking paper, and back to that I included a bridge tally scorekeeping card, and then this quote from a paper pad that says, "Looking at beauty in the world is the first step of purifying the mind," by Amit Ray. So all this will be tucked into this bag and into this tuck spot. Now I did stitch all the way around the journal. Most of the pages are stitched around. Most of the cards I think are stitched around. I made a tuck spot here. This is a page from the kit. This is one of my favorite pages from the kit. I used another seahorse on this piece, and what I did here was I printed this page onto cardstock to make it thicker. And then this was a piece of coffee dyed paper, and I just made a little booklet to put into this pocket. This is a piece of ephemera from the kit, and I made a little side loading pocket with it and made this little card with book page images put in here. These tabs I have a video on how I made these tabs. These are flat back pearls on here. I did do stitching around them, but these tabs started out as ribbon roll covers. I made a pocket here with some scrapbooking paper. I absolutely love this image in the kit. She's gorgeous. This was a piece of book page out of a Sea Life book. And then I made another journaling card with another image from a book. Some scrapbooking paper on the back of this one. Here I made a little tuck spot. And another coffee dyed paper booklet. This is an image from a book that I had. This image, I'm not sure where I got this image from. It is a printable, but it is not in this kit. And I used another book page, the rest of this, to make this little booklet with some coffee dyed paper inside of it. And I stapled this one. Put this in this belly band. Another image from the kit. This is scrapbooking paper. This came out of a book that I had. This is in the kit. And then in this pocket, I put a tag from the kit. This is a button card, a vintage button card that I had in my stash. A vintage pearl button card that I had in my stash. And then I decorated this coffee dyed envelope just a little bit. I fussy cut this fish out of a children's book, stamped this here, and then inside I included a picture of just a cool fish that I found, and back to that with coffee dyed paper. And all of this goes into the sea turtle pocket. Another seahorse image from the kit. This is a pocket I made with book page, and I put one of these flashcards in here, and then this booklet I made using book page as well. And then I stenciled, this is coffee dyed paper that I stenciled on. And that goes back in this pocket. This is scrapbooking paper, another image from the kit. And here I used a vintage zipper pouch to create a windowed pocket. And in the pouch itself, I made a little bookmark, added some yarn fibers, some eyelash trims to the top of it, backed it with some butterfly pea-dyed paper. This is book page. I also have a video showing how I created this piece of the journal. I included a vintage playing card. And then this booklet is also butterfly pea-dyed paper that I just folded up, inked around, and stamped on. This is a really pretty page too from the kit. Love this page. She is in the kit, another one of my favorites. This flips up. This is coffee dyed paper, and then some butterfly pea dyed paper here that I stamped on. This is from the kit. This is scrapbooking paper. Scrapbooking paper. She's really cool. This was another book page image that I made a little belly band out of. And then this is a decorated envelope. This image from another book. And in here, I took this out of a paper pad, backed it with coffee dyed paper. And then this is a flashcard that I backed with just some lined paper pad paper. That goes back in here. And then this also is from a scrapbooking pad. She is really pretty. I just like all the images in this kit. This flips up. There's writing space here. This lifts up. There's writing space here and another piece of fabric here. This also flips up with coffee dyed paper on the back. This is called Punchinella, and I also purchased this off of a girl on Facebook who was selling it. And this is some butterfly pea dyed paper, the butterfly pea flowers. I just steeped them for several hours and then dyed paper with them. Another image from the kit and scrapbooking paper. Another tab here. Now all these tabs are covered with paper from the kit. This is a piece of ephemera from the kit that I made a tuck spot. And I took this stingray image, I'm sorry, it's an eagle ray, from a children's science book, fish book, sea life book, and I backed it and then folded that up where I could tuck it into this little tuck spot. Another tuck spot here, a corner tuck spot. And another one of the coffee dyed paper booklets. This image from the kit, 2 tags from the kit that I layered with some other paper and made a tuck spot here. And another paper bag that I decorated with butterfly pea flower dyed paper that I stamped. And in here, I stuck this fish that was haunting me the whole time I was working on this journal. So this fish goes with this journal. I still can't explain it, just think it's a cool looking fish. Caught my attention and I couldn't get it out of my mind. This was a stamp that I had, and I just stamped onto this little scrap of paper and included it in this little bag. And that is it, y'all. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing the journal, and I will be back to share some more progress or process or journals as I get things done. Have a good evening, y'all.